Good morning everybody, it's Richard here, and a few people wanted me to show the palm tree flowering. So this is the palm tree from the bedroom window, and as you can see it is flowering beautifully, absolutely beautifully. Just see it from the other window here. Gorgeous. And they're scented flowers. They're scented a little bit like lily of the valley. And if I close in on a flower, you can see that it is being visited by bees. The bees absolutely adore it. They really do. It's a breezy day. Very breezy day. We had showers last night. I think we'll probably do some showers today. But there it is, in its glory. Looking absolutely gorgeous. Sun's gone in now. And you can see bees all over it. They love it. So there you go. That's the palm tree, flowering palm tree update. Bye for now.